Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while that I have uploaded a video, so welcome back, and from now it will be regularly uploaded. So let's begin with this very interesting video. Today in this video we are going to start and learn and study very important thing that is called as Pythagoras Theorem. तुम बोलोगे सर हमको तो ये ऑलरेडी आता है. वेरी गुड, आई नो ये बहुत सिंपल है, सब लोग को आता होगा, बट इसमें एक दो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज मैं बताने वाला हूँ, ध्यान से सुनना. सबसे पहले टू अप्लाई दिस थियरम, Pythagoras theorem, you should have a right angle triangle. So if there is no right angle triangle, we cannot apply this theorem. So remember, to apply this theorem there should be a right angle triangle. So we have a right angle triangle over here. Very good, superb. Now if you observe in this triangle, angle B is 90 degree. So 90 के सामने वाले साइड को हम क्या बोलते हैं, याद है किसी को? वेरी गुड, सुपर्ब. 90 के सामने वाले साइड इज कॉल्ड एज hypotenuse. So over here we'll just note it down. In triangle ABC, which angle is 90? Very good, superb. Angle B is 90, and reason for this will be given. Now remember, whenever you apply Pythagoras theorem, make sure that firstly you check that there is a right angle triangle. Then when you apply it, when you write in the sum, first write name of the triangle, then write angle which is 90. So over here name of the triangle is triangle ABC, and angle which is 90 is angle B. So angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Reason will be given. Now I know here you already know what is the Pythagoras theorem. Still I will explain you. See, Pythagoras says hypotenuse ka square is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides. That means here hypotenuse is AC. So AC ka square will be equal to sum of remaining two sides, that is AB and BC. Again I will repeat one more time. Listen very carefully. It is very important. Hypotenuse ka square. That means here hypotenuse is AC. So AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. That are the remaining two sides. So what is Pythagoras? Hypotenuse ka square is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. Remember, whenever you apply this theorem, first write name of the triangle, then write name of the angle which is 90, and then apply this theorem. Angle 90 ka reason will be given, and Pythagoras ka reason will be by Pythagoras theorem. I hope you enjoyed this video. You understood what is Pythagoras theorem. Make sure that before going you hit that red button, subscribe wala, and like this video and share with all your friends. In coming video we are going to study proof of this Pythagoras theorem. So we'll meet in next video. Goodbye, take care, bye bye.